I needed to end this year somewhere quiet. This year was a transition year, full of a lot of highs and a lot of lows, and I don't think I stopped to process any of it. I didn't come on this trip for answers. I came for a reset. A chance to forgive myself, even if I'm not sure what I'm forgiving myself for, and to remind myself to live. This is one of those years that gave me things that I once dreamed of, like finally making it to Paris for one of my birthdays. And then almost immediately, it asked more of me than I ever knew I was capable of giving. So I did my own hair, my own nails, so I could feel like myself next to someone I love, my sister. I decided to clear my space so I could clear my mind, especially coming back from a trip. You want to come back to a clean space. I took a chance to organize an area I had been procrastinating on. I lost my father later in the year, and after that seemed to follow a season of change. New job, new moves, and learning how to keep going when life doesn't slow down with you. washed the dishes, took a shower, and made sure that I wasn't packing or taking anything with me that I did not need, or not carrying anything into this year that's too heavy and that we don't necessarily need with us. In the midst of the chaos, I was able to find joy in old hobbies that I used to love, and I'm feeling more like myself than ever before. So I booked this trip to reset my mind and my nervous system and allow me some time to relax and think and journal and just find a new level of peace before we enter the new year, new obstacles. I'm not rushing and I'm not sure what's next, but I know I'm entering it with more grace and much more gently this time.